In this video, you'll learn how to add PayPal to GoDaddy Website Builder so your customers can pay you quickly and securely. We'll walk through each step slowly and clearly, so even if you're brand new to GoDaddy or online payments, you'll be able to follow along without any trouble. First, start by logging into your GoDaddy account the way you normally do. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your main account dashboard. Here, you should see a list of your products or websites. Find the website you've built with GoDaddy Website Builder. Next to that site, there will be a button labeled Manage. Go ahead and click Manage. This tells GoDaddy you want to work specifically on that site's settings and tools, and it will open up the Website Builder dashboard for that project. When the dashboard opens, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu with different options that control various parts of your site. You're looking for the section labeled Commerce, or in some setups it might be called Store. If it's collapsed, click the small arrow or expand icon next to it so you can see the options underneath. Once the Commerce or Store section is expanded, choose Settings. This is where GoDaddy keeps all of the main configuration options for how your online store behaves, including which payment methods you accept. After you've opened the Commerce or Store settings, you'll be taken to a page with several categories related to your storefront. From here, find and select payment methods. This is the area that controls how customers can pay you when they check out on your site. It's a good idea to take a moment here to notice what's already turned on, such as credit card processing or other local methods. But for now, we'll focus on PayPal. Within the payment methods section, look for PayPal in the list of available options. It should appear as one of the supported payment providers. Once you see PayPal, click the Connect button next to it. This starts the process of linking your GoDaddy store to your PayPal account. At this point, GoDaddy may open a new window or a pop-up to take you to PayPal's sign-in page. If you're not already signed into PayPal, you'll be asked to log in with your usual PayPal credentials. Make sure you use the correct business or personal account that you want to receive payments into. Follow the on-screen prompts from PayPal to grant permission for GoDaddy to connect to your account. You're essentially authorizing GoDaddy to accept payments on your behalf and send the money into your PayPal balance. Once you've completed the connection on the PayPal side, you'll be brought back to GoDaddy, and PayPal should now appear as an active payment method in your payment methods list. From here, it's a good idea to preview your site, add a sample product to the cart, and walk through the checkout flow just up to the payment screen to confirm that PayPal is showing as an option. That's all there is to it. You've successfully added PayPal to your GoDaddy website builder site, making it easier for customers to check out using a payment method they already trust.